Hey everybody, thanks for checking out this video. If you like the content I'm putting out, please like, comment, and subscribe. And hope you like this video. Hey everybody, just wanted to show you a trick that I just figured out for making sure you don't lose your G-hook. So this goes in here for my fold over Velcro inner belt from Haley Strategic, and the first time I put it away I just left the G-hook here and folded this together, but the G-hook was on this side and this was loose, and then I just threw it in the box where I'm keeping all my stuff. And then whenever I went to do this, this had fallen off and settled down to the bottom of the box. So what I'm doing now is I'll fold this over so it's trapped so the G-hook stays on this side. Hope that helps.